New generation High Speed N95 FFP2 Mask Machine with online packing machine. Air loop type automatic sponge strip sticking. Material feeding with tension controlling. Nose bar inserting. Pattern welding. N95, FFP2, FFP3 or customer logo is available. Inkjet printing. Contact addition is very easy. High-speed air loop welding. Stable speed is 50 pieces per minute. 70 pieces per minute if without sponge strips. Automatic sponge strip sticking. Mask folding and shape cutting. Online packing, synchronized with the mask machine, highly automatic.